The special permissions, you're going to use files such as commod, lsatra, changeatra. But let's take a look at using the commod command to basically set the SUID, the SGID, and also the sticky bit. So what I've got here is the HTML directory that's off of the var ww directory. It basically contains files that Apache Servo will read, in this case index.html. So we're just going to play around with this. And this is what I recommend for you, is that as you start looking at various files, start playing around with them for these special permissions to understand exactly how they work. So the first thing that we'll play around with here is we'll set the SUID bit. And one of the ways that you do that, one of the ways you do that is you can do it in symbolic or absolute mode. I'll use symbolic mode for this. So with this particular file, I don't want to change any of the other permissions. I just want to add the SUID file to it. So the way that I could do that is basically go with the use u, let's see, sudo, and then use commod. And then basically I'm going to add that bit to the file. So I do that, and notice I'm basically, I'll do a long listing here. And notice what I've done. I've added that to the particular file. If I want to get rid of that, I can just go back here through command line editing, hit the minus, and away we go. Go back here, and you can see how I've added that bit here. If you want to add something with the group, you can basically just go G and then plus S, as I've done here. Hit it, and looky there, it's now in the group side. When it comes to, and I'll go ahead and get rid of that here. Now again, I'm using symbolic mode here. You can use any mode that you wish. When it comes to adding the sticky bit, let me see, I'll do this again, do some command line editing, and to add that, you just change it to the T for sticky, the T there, and you add it that way, and check it out. Now, this is a file that, let's see here, that's not going to work, is it? Let's see, set it up this way. That's the way to do it. See, it gets you every time, doesn't it? I add this, and there you go. Now, the sticky bit has been added to that file. So read more about it, yeah, but as you read about it, make sure you practice these things so that you learn more about exactly how they use and what the ramifications of